Welcome people, I'm here again once more and I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. I want to talk about these videos with you, and these videos are going to show police officers, viewers and subscribers. See, so first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show when a police officer from within the country of Jamaica pushed a person more than one time. So a part of the video shows when the police officer held the man, or a part of the man clothing, viewers and subscribers. And one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because this video is being talked about on social media, and based on some comments that I saw on social media, I got the understanding that some persons are talking about how the police officer treated a person who you can see in this video. Viewers and subscribers, when you look at this video and tell me what you think about the situation that you can see and hear in the video, you can tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes on to a hostile situation that I see in this video. The video shows quite a number of persons, viewers and subscribers, and I want you to please bear in mind that the video shows when a police officer pushed a person a certain amount of times, and you can also hear harsh language in this video. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Foolish is that. I hate that thing.
What is happening here?
Yo, man, I'm lying. Say you love it, dog. Yeah, I love saying you love it, dog. I eat that thing.
Wait there. Why am I shopping man?
You are going to buy back the mirror. You are going to buy back the mirror. You are going to buy back the mirror. Yo, me have a deal, man. Right on that.
I want to see how I ride on this one. I really brought son keep this. Vivian.
Alright, so right away my people, I want you to listen to this part of the video. Listen, just listen to this part of the video.
Foolish is that. I hate that thing.
They hear that? Alright? So, some form of disagreement did that go on. See me I say? Alright, so me get unconfirmed information as to what started the confrontation. See? And you can hear a certain amount of persons saying certain words in the video as well. Viewers and subscribers, I just want you to tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes on to that situation. And please bear in mind, you know, that this video shows part of some of the things that happened on that day when it comes on to that situation. See? So please bear that in mind. On to another topic. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between police from within the country of Jamaica and at least one person. Now, the reason why I said at least one person, viewers and subscribers, is because you can hear quite a number of persons talking in the video. And a police officer said some words that gave me the understanding that the police officer made a request to at least one person to search a motor vehicle. And you can hear a certain amount of persons saying certain words in the video, viewers and subscribers. Some comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons talked about how the police handled that situation. So I want you to look and listen to the video carefully, and based on what you're about to see and hear in this video, you can tell me what you think overall about the whole situation. You can tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes on to the situation that you can see and hear in the video. Viewers and subscribers, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Suspects illegal going to every in the search. No, not video. We're not going to comply with search. Search now we carry out this and put the vehicle on the record and carry out the station with search. So you see that comply with the search right here and put the vehicle on the record and search the vehicle.
Yeah, we're not watching when they must see.
1409 for the regulation. So, suspect illegal is considered illegal.
Open it, Badger.
You're not the driver. You're not the driver of the vehicle. You are not.
So I just pull him the thing inside. Just pull
Come on, Cairo.
This set away. Yeah, this is what my people, I'm gonna make a suggestion, and you can tell me what you think about this suggestion that I'm about to make. You see me? And the reason why I make this suggestion is because of the amount of videos that I see on social media between police and civilians and certain confrontations and hostile situations and confusions and all them things. So me I say, so them things have me thinking. And my suggestion is that maybe it would help if the basics about law and order was a subject in at least high school then. Me not say everything about law and order, just the basics, you understand me? So by doing that, maybe that can cut down some of the confusion between police and civilians. You get what I say, people? Because on a real, when it comes down to law and order, you have the book them where you can go read and so forth, but a lot of people on go work with hearsay. Some people not go look for the book them or even search online for information. Because look at a situation like that when I see in the video now, viewers and subscribers. See? A police officer make a request to search a motor vehicle. Me not totally understand the circumstances of the situation because you don't know how police work going. You see me I say? There are certain things that can cause a police to search a motor vehicle, and at the same time, motorists have certain rights. So all of them things there. So that's why I make a certain suggestion. So tell me what you think about the suggestion, viewers and subscribers. Tell me if you think that suggestion is okay or if it is not okay or what. You see me? And tell me what you think about the video that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong and so on. Alright, so on to another topic, viewers and subscribers. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so. And click the notification bell so that you too can also be notified whenever I post a video. Now here I'm going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers. I don't have a whole lot to say about this video, but you can look and listen to this video, tell me what you think also. In my point of view, I think that this video shows a situation that was not really hostile. So this video shows some things that happened when a person had been stopped are approached by police from within the country of Jamaica. Viewers, subscribers, maybe someone can learn something from this video, you know, even if the video can bring some form of awareness. See? Look, listen and observe, and until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Make a soul stamp on the turn. I went down with the endings and turn and come back and away.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm sure about it.
Oh, okay, if you're sure, that's fine. No, my dash cam in the vehicle still, so that's fine. What's your name, please, officer? Dinam? Constable, man? Okay, Mr. Dinam. Yes, sir. Pardon me?
Don't have anything that offensive or illegal.
Nope. I'm sure it doesn't harass, sir. Do we need to see the receipt for my carrier's license as well, sir?
That's alright.
Well,
Yeah, so free to search if you want to search. Okay.
When I say I'm positive, I'm positive.
That's fine, sir.
But, come on.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.